In this lesson, we're going to review the if formula. The if function is used to make a logical comparison between two values, either within a formula or by comparison of the values or arguments of two cells. The if function then determines whether the argument is true or false. And based on that, it can apply certain other logic like a sum or another formula if you wanted to nest the if statement within another formula. But for the purpose of this lesson, we're just going to look at the if formula as a standalone formula within Excel. So let's take a look at the formula explanation. The formula is made up of three components. There's the logical test, which is the condition that you want to test the logic of. There's the value if true, which is the value that you want to return if the result of the logical test is true. And then there's the value if false, part of the syntax, which is the value that you want returned if the result of the logical test is false. Let's take a look at an example. The general manager of a second-hand car dealership has been bidding on its cars, and he wants to know if he should accept the bidder's price or reject it. The general manager doesn't want to accept any bids lower than the floor price. The finance analyst generates from its bidding system the raw data of its floor price that's kept in the system versus its bid price and is told to compare against the floor price to determine whether it meets the minimum threshold to accept the bid. So let's take a look at the raw data from the company's system. That's contained in rows 38 through 55. As you can see, we've got car models, plate numbers, a floor price, a bid price, and the decision. As the general manager noted, he doesn't want to accept any deals where the bid price is less than the floor price. So we do have a situation where we need to apply certain conditional logic. And in this case, the decision outcomes that we wrote in column G for each of the car models is either to accept the offer or reject the bid based on whether the condition is met. Let's open up cell G39 and take a look how we wrote the formula to determine whether or not to reject the bid or accept the offer. So in cell G39, you can see the example formula that we wrote. And by the way, we dragged this all the way down throughout the decision column in column G. But looking at one example, we just used the if statement that said, if, open parentheses, cell E39, which is the floor price, is greater than the bid price, i.e. cell F39, then we want to reject the bid because it won't be high enough. Otherwise, we want to accept offer. And so the first part of the formula is the logic test, i.e. cell E39 greater than F39. And if that's true, then we want the formula to input reject bid. Now, in order for the formula to return a text result, you have to wrap it in quotations. So that's why you'll see quotations surrounding reject bid within this formula. If the value is false, then I want it to write accept offer. And again, I wrapped it in quotations. So therefore, in cell G39, we can see that we're supposed to reject the bid because the bid was lower than the floor price and the general manager wanted to only accept offers where the bid price was higher than the floor price. You can see in row 40, that's not the case. The bid price is actually higher than the floor price, and therefore the offer should be accepted. So now we're in a position where we can report back to the general manager on whether or not the bid price should be accepted. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.